Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you yet another very interesting recipe. This time it is traditional Middle Eastern food called mutton falafel. Right before you, you have all the ingredients that is required to make a very tasty and delicious falafel. To start with, I have mutton mince. Now what I have done is, a very key point here is a suggestion. When you buy a mutton, just buy a loaf and bring it at home and do a nice mince out of it, because if you get directly a mince from the shop, chances are there you will have more content of fat, which we do not need. So yeah, it's up to you how you want to buy. And so this is around half a kg mutton mince. Then I have ginger garlic paste. So for the ginger garlic paste, it's I have another video which you can see to know how you can make a very interesting ginger garlic paste that really goes with non-veg recipes. And then I have cucumber grated. In this I have chopped coriander, mint, some chilies without seeds, and one lemon. Then I have chickpeas. I have one potato, large potato cut into half, and it's a curd, it's a hung curd, and again it's a homemade curd, very organic. And I have another related video which you can watch to understand how you can make a very organic, authentic homemade curd. Then I have a bread crumb here, that is also homemade. I have one egg beaten, around 2 medium-sized onion sliced, and with the spices I have here clove, saffron, flour, turmeric, mustard seed black, cumin, bay leaf, sesame seeds, and cinnamon, chili powder, and you have the remaining spices. So I'm going to put all the recipes into two parts, and I'm going to show you the first part, how we can get this mince marination done and half cooked done, so that we can blend with the part B. So all you have to do is take a pan. Okay, so here in a pan I'm using coconut oil. You can use refined oil or mustard oil. So let's get started with 2 bay leaves. And 2 big black cardamom. Here goes the cumin. And black mustard seeds. Let it stir. Now I'm going to add 2 cumin, 2 cinnamon sticks, and saffron flour. Just give it a stir so it's I'm keeping the flame slow to medium. After a few minutes I'm going to add onion, which is around onion is slightly cooked. As you can see, it's partially golden. I'm going to add 2 big spoons of ginger garlic paste. So now, as we can see, ginger garlic is nicely blended, and then onion is also cooked perfectly. Now I'm going to add the rest of the spices, which is sesame seeds, clove, just give it a nice stir, and I'm going to add the rest of 3 turmeric, cinnamon, salt and chili powder. So as you can see, the oil has come on the surface, which is just the indication that all the spices have really blended well and onion is also cooked. Now it's the time that I'm going to add mince into it. So here I've added the mince. Now I have mixed the mince with all the spices. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to add chickpeas. Now here the chickpeas I have soaked into the water for enough time. It's good if you can soak it for overnight. So I'm going to put the chickpeas and with the mince so that it properly cooks and infuses well. So this is around 1 small cup of chickpeas. Falafel without chickpeas is actually not falafel, so it is one of the mandatory ingredients that really goes well with the mince. Second that I'm going to add is potato. Is 1 potato. So I have mixed the chickpeas into it, and now I'm going to add onion. That's 1 large onion. So all I have to do now is mix it properly and add some water and put it for 1 whistle. Now number of whistles actually depends upon the tenderness of mutton. If it's a very tender one, that then it won't take more than 1 or 2 whistles, but if it's the other one, then it might take 1 or 2 more whistles. So I'm going to keep it for roughly 2 whistles, and I'm going to add around half a glass water. And after that, let's see how it turns out. So this is done. All I have done is, after the 2 whistles, I opened the lid and cooked it for some more time till the time water is completely dried up and little onion you can see on the surface. And now it is settled down. I'm going to remove the bay leaves and the big cardamom from it, and I'm going to give a nice knead to this so that it becomes very soft. And along with this, I'm going to add on this coriander powder. It's around 1.5 teaspoon, and cumin powder. And I'm going to mix it well. So let me just finish it and show you how it looks. So this is finally mixed, and now it's at the cool normal temperature. Second part to it is preparing the mix, which I'm going to stuff in this falafel. Now important thing here is you can either mix all the ingredients together and make a bowl, or you can just put it as a stuff inside the bowl. So I'm just preparing the mix which I'm going to add into the mince. Here's the onion, and here is the cucumber. And here is coriander leaves, and I have added chili, seeds removed, and mint. And it's a hung curd. around half a bottle lemon juice. So I'm just going to mix it nicely. The mixture ready. I'm just going to make small balls and stuff with the curd stuff. Just keeping little. I'm going to cover it. And this is how it looks. I'm going to dip it in the beaten egg and I'm going to put into a cover of breadcrumb. And this I am going to deep fry. I have already made few sets, so let's get started with deep frying these falafel. So I'm just going to deep fry and make sure the oil is hot, and I'm going to fry it in a medium to low flame. I'm just going to turn it the other side after 2-3 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out. So I have just turned it the other side, and I'm going to keep it at least for a minute. So I'm just going to take it out. Okay. So here's the falafel ready, and you can serve this with wrap along with tahini sauce and along with some veggies of your choice. And to wrap, you can use pita bread or chapati. I hope you really enjoyed watching it, while I really enjoyed preparing it and just can't wait to dine. Please subscribe and do share with your loved ones. And until next time, goodbye and take care.